Hi YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I'm in the middle of cleaning up my garage, although it may not look like it. It's one of those you gotta make a mess to make it better kind of things. But regardless, I am up here kind of cleaning out, figuring out what I had. I'm just taking everything out, figuring out where it is, finding a place for it. If I can't find a place for it, it's got to go away. So I'm finding places for things, and in part of that, I've found that hanging things on my ceiling has worked out pretty well so far. And I just dug out a bunch of this wiring right here, and I'm trying to use stuff I have so I can get rid of junk that I keep and think one day I'll use it, and also I don't have any money to spend on this. So regardless, I am getting ready to make a way to hang all my wire that used to be up on that shelf up there. Hook on this right here. Don't know if you can see that, but it is, yet again, chain link fence stuff. It goes both on the top of the chain link fence as well as kind of in certain areas, and that's how they kind of tension it. I don't know. If you don't know about chain link fences and how it works, I can't really explain it. But regardless, this is a pretty long piece of that I have. I don't have no use for it, but it's metal. I don't like throwing away metal, but it's also galvanized, so to use it for any kind of project, it takes a lot of cleaning, and you still got to be careful. So I have started using this to hang things on. So I was just going to kind of go through and show you my plans for this. It may be something that helps you out, maybe something you don't want, but regardless, it's what I'm doing. We're going to see how it works out, and hopefully you will enjoy the ride. There you go. I ended up having to put one of those right in the middle there. Luckily I had actually 3 of the exact same ones. So it just kind of, bar goes through, it just hangs right in the middle there, and it goes along. And actually it's kind of nice that I have that one in the middle there, and I will show you why. Now keep in mind, most of the stuff that is around me will not be here, or this will end up moving somewhere else in my garage when I get it finalized. But for right now, this gets us up kind of on the ceiling where I'm going to probably want it in the future, regardless of where it actually ends up. And I think this will work pretty good. I can take this and slide it like that, and then I can pull off what I want if I need to pull one off and replace it. Otherwise, that is the one downside about this. If I need to pull them off, it's not super easy, but it slides back and forth okay. But otherwise, for the most part, I will just come up here, unhook what I want, and take however much I need. But regardless, it'll get out of my way. I have enough room for a few more rolls, which I actually think might still be a couple more up there, but this gives you an idea. I will say, this rod here, if you can keep it straight up and down, or have a way of making it stay straight up and down with a different type of mechanism, it would be plenty sturdy enough to hold all these, but I had trouble with it falling flat like it just did, and so then it would bend going that direction. So that's why I put this one in the middle. But regardless, I think that one in the middle actually helps it. When I need to take one off or put one on, it'll be a lot easier. Well, hopefully y'all got something out of that. If you want to look at how I did my clamps, I didn't do one for the hangers. That's just a rod that's kind of hung up with a couple of hooks. I may show that when I do my shop video or shop tour. But my clamps are kind of a cool idea. So if you want to watch that, go check out my shop videos. Might be in a tips and tricks videos as well, or playlist I should say. I have playlists on all my different things I do. Whether it's a vehicle, a DIY project, whatever. I have a bunch of playlists you can go check out my videos with. But this is just one way I'm getting organized, is getting things up on this shorter part of my ceiling here where they're still up tall enough to be out of the way, but it's unused space. And these are things that I don't use that often, so getting up on my little stool there and grabbing a couple things off there's no real big deal. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you got an idea of somewhat of a shop organization tip and an idea of how to use some of the junk you may have laying around. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.